Hello everybody, it's Brian checking in from Roosevelt Roads near Ceiba, Puerto Rico, as we continue our mission here to honor the fallen and of course introduce people to the Berlin Airlift. It's Airshow Day, so a lot of people coming by to meet Military Families United and tour the Spirit of Freedom.
Yeah, I got wounded. I got a commission, and we went down.
And you lost friends.
Wonderful people here in Puerto Rico. They really appreciate us being here. And of course they're learning about the Berlin Airlift and the part in history.
It's very nice, very nice, very nice. Anyway, I love airplanes. For 16 years I was coming in and out, you know, every time, so I love it.
Oh, it's good, man. It looks better than flying on one of those C-130. Those seats looks comfortable. The cargo net, no joke.
I'm walking into history here, I think. It's great for the, you know, the whole society and everything. It's great on the job that they're doing, and it's great that they're here in Puerto Rico and they're sponsoring, you know, and keep flying. People should continue flying and have great thoughts about the history of how has always been.
Que se llama John Justin.
So Airshow Day, obviously we're not the only game in town. Let's go around the flight line and give you guys a tour of what else is going on.
En este gran espectáculo del Airshow. Miren, y aquí ya viene el primero de los Golden Knights, que viene haciendo su approach, su acercamiento al área de la marca que ustedes ven.
Marina,